Hi, on user ID is my name is Tuấn.
Hi Tuấn, yes, I'm an IT expert. My name is Thắng.
I work for a retail company as an office employee.
Nice to meet you, Tuấn. I'm an IT expert and I can help you with technical solutions. How can I help you?
I'm uh, I'm choosing a storage and backup solution for my company.
I see. How big is your company?
It's a small company with about 20 employees.
Okay. How much data do you want to back up?
Mm, Around 100 gigabyte. Can you give me some advice?
Sure. You can use cloud storage like Google Drive or an external hard drive. Cloud storage lets you backup and share files easily between computers, and external hard drives are small and easy to carry when you travel.
How much do they cost?
Um, Google Drive is free for 15 gigabytes, and you can get 100 gigabytes for about um, $1.99 per month. An external hard drive with 120 gigabytes costs around $20.
Much for your advice.
Welcome. Have a great day.
Goodbye.
Bye.